Hi everyone, welcome to the All Summer Long collaboration. This is hosted by Left-Handed Crafter, who is Brandy. Hi Brandy. And each month we are following a theme. This month is to be punny. Let me see how she explains it. Oh gosh, where is it? I don't know. This was a little challenging for me because I don't have too many of these things. A summer puns, and she gave us some examples, and also our optional thing is polka dot. So I did both. I used Stampin' Up's Timeless Tropical. I used the palm trees, the leaf, and this big flower. I didn't use any of the sentiments in here. I did use the coordinating dies for the flower, the big pineapple, the pineapple leaf, and I think that's about it. And I used Hey Birthday Chick, but I just used this You're Still A, and I masked off Spring Chicken, and you'll see why in a minute. And then I pulled out, I remembered I had these stickers, and they sort of have punny things like Tropic Like It's Hot, or I don't know if I have another one of the other one I used. Yes, Fine Apple. So I used those two and a couple other ones. So here's the first card I did, which is my favorite of the two. They're both A2 vertical cards. Here's where I used the Hey Birthday Chick, You're Still A. This is in Shaded Spruce. The cards are Pool Party cardstock with Shaded Spruce matte. And then here's where I used the leaf out of the Timeless Tropical stamp set. And I just did an all over background. And then the polka dots were from the Host Pattern Party, I think it's called, Designer Series Paper Pack. It's this one. Oh boy, that's blurry. It doesn't like that pattern. And the back is that. Wow, that's really bad. Sorry. Anyway, I used a 2.5 inch by 5 1/4 inch, and then the Shaded Spruce is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. I stamped all over with Shaded Spruce on Pool Party, and then this is cut out of Bumblebee and Shaded Spruce, and I just carefully glued them down, but this has little pieces that can bump up, you know, like pineapples do. And then I just put You're Still A, that's bumped up, Fine Apple. So I thought that was kind of cute. You're still a fine apple. I was going to try and just make it You're A, and I thought, you know what, You're Still a Fine Apple is okay. I used 2 of the other puffy sticker leaves, and I used 3 Shaded Spruce gems from the Holiday Rhinestones pack. And inside, I did use this from the Hey Birthday Chick, Let's Celebrate You, and a strip of the polka dot paper. So that's the first card. And then the second one, I wanted to use the Tropic Like It's Hot, and there were a lot of these puffy flower stickers, and this saying tropical and some sunglasses. I don't know, I kind of not liking it, but this one I did an all over with the palm trees, and this is the flower, which is in Poppy Parade. I'm not crazy, I don't think I colored that right, but anyway. And then I just stamped off with Pool Party in here, and then this was a little sticker palm tree. So I didn't really put a sentiment on the inside. Tropic Like It's Hot, that was one of the suggestions, which I happen to have. And this was a leftover strip, so it's a little thinner. It's about 2 inches by 5 1/4. So those are my 2 cards for the summer puns. You're Still a Fine Apple and Tropic Like It's Hot. So there you have it. Please go check out all the other participants in the collaboration that are linked down below. And if you liked anything I did, please give me a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it, so YouTube spreads the word on me, and we get some more participants and viewers. And also show some crafty love to the other participants, because I'm sure they have some amazing projects. It doesn't have to be cards. It could be books. It could be tags. It could be anything, really. Alrighty. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.